What's your legacy? What's your destiny? Who's the enemy? Is inside of me. Where's your miracle? Where's your heroes go? What's your destiny? What's your legacy? It's your legacy.
Paula's
All right,
Singer
let me pause
201
this. All right, so no joke, folks. We have now all the proof in the pudding that we need. Rolls Royce of Beverly Hills is advertising on our YouTube channel in conjunction with Paula's video featuring her Singer 201-2, the Rolls Royce of Singers sewing machines. You just saw it. You just saw the commercial streaming live on this channel. So we don't have to prove it to anyone anymore, because Rolls Royce of Beverly Hills believes what many continue to challenge, and that is that their very prestigious company back in the 1940s going into the 1950s used this type of machine, the Singer 201, to sew the interior leather panels of their luxury car. They're advertising on our channel now! Are you kidding me? Ah! That's crazy! I just had to show you, because that thing popped up after the premiere this evening on Paula's 201-2, and I was like, what? I mean, we've had Walt Disney World, we've had a number of prestigious type merchants, businesses advertising on our YouTube channel. I've never ever thought, I never thought that Rolls Royce would finally catch the wind of what we're doing here and say, we want to advertise to promote our Rolls Royce, our Ghost, on Scott's channel in conjunction with Paula's Singer 201-2. I don't even know what to say. I'm sitting down right now. I had to grab the camera and try to capture it so I could prove it to you that anyone that tries to say, oh, that's just an urban myth, that's a legend, that Rolls Royce used the Singer 201 to sew the interior panels. Hey, they're advertising on our channel now in conjunction with Paula's video. And I can only imagine any of the other videos on this channel that talk of the Rolls Royce of Singer sewing machines. I am blown away, folks. All right, I had to share it with you. I had to let you know. I can't believe it! Bill, are you sitting down too? Man, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts.